Hello, Bertrand from Gifzign here, and I just wanted to do a quick demo of Gifzign. So Gifzign will be released on the 21st of March, and so I wanted to kind of show you what it does and you know what we are doing with it. So Gifzign is pretty much a video to GIF creator. It's also a cinemagraph editor, and it's also a screen recorder. So the way it works, so this is my Gifzign dashboard here. So Gifzign is a desktop application, and so the way it works is that it makes it very easy to create GIFs. So I'm just going to show you a couple of examples. This is my account, so these are some of the GIFs I created. So there's different visual effects you can apply to the GIF. Like you can see, this one is a bit grainy, so that's the vintage effect. And here you can see we have something more clear here, and so different ways you can use it. So this is a cinemagraph I created with Gifzign here, and this is a screen recording, so you can also record your screen to create things like tutorials, you know, with Gifzign. And I'm just going to show you a couple more examples. So this is the kind of GIF you would probably post on social media, like fun GIF. I have an example of, let's try this one. This could be a kind of reaction GIF, you know, you can post on social media as well to react, you know, to something. So with Gifzign you can kind of create these, you know, add filters, add text, and then you can download it as a GIF and post it on social media, and you can publish it in a different number of ways as well. So I'm going to show you the Gifzign players in a second. This is a small one here. Here we have a mirror effect. So this is a video, you might know that video by Nicki Minaj called Anaconda. And so we just took a portion of that video and we applied the mirror effect. As you can see, you know, it comes up pretty cool. And here's a couple more. This is a 3D logo we have for one of the company we run, and so as you can see, you know, we just kind of turned it into a looping GIF, and this is using the mirroring option with that same image. As you can see, it's turning into something pretty cool. And just see a couple more here, and I'll show you how it works. So the way you create a GIF is you can either enter a YouTube Vimeo link and it will turn it into a GIF. You can upload a video, or you can record your screen. So let's try by well, maybe we'll just kind of add a video here. So I have this cat jump video, so we're just going to try that. So I just copied the YouTube link, I click on Vimeo. Alright, so once I'm in the GIF player, as you can see, I can add some text here, so I can change the text size, I can change the text color, and we have various color effects. You can also change the opacity of the text, and you can also, you know, add some text at the bottom. And you can also upload an image. I'll show you that for the next example. You could choose the quality of the GIF, so it could be a bit grainy, it could be vintage, or it could be HD. So let's go for HD in this case. And you can also turn the mirroring on or off here. But for this example, let's try to set it up first. So what you want to do is to select the beginning and starting frame. So we're going to start, I think it was around this point, and we're going to end somewhere here. So it's going to be about 9 seconds. So let's play that and see how it looks. So I just took a video from YouTube. So this is a YouTube video link I just pasted, and as you can see, it's already in the software, and so that's very handy. It makes it kind of fast, you know, to create this kind of GIFs. And I'm just going to preview it now. There we go. So I got my GIF here. It's looking pretty cool. Let's see a couple more of the other options, and I'll show you the cinemagraph as well next. So we have filters here, so you can apply some pretty cool filters. We're still kind of tweaking them, so we'll probably have more and have more filter options as we near the release. And let's try this. So we're just going to preview it again. So here we go, you know, we have this nice filter over it, and I can download here the preview already, so it will download it as a GIF file to my desktop, or I could just save it for now. So let's save it, and we'll do another GIF quick, and then I'll show you the player options and some of the other features. Okay, so my GIF has been saved here, so I have it here, you know, I can preview it from my dashboard. So again, this is a desktop software, so it's kind of very handy to have, and I can also download it. So I just click on download here, and you know, I'll just put you know, jumpingcat.gif, and then it's saved to my downloads. So now let's do something a bit like this, so a kind of cinema graph. So I'll show you these features as well, this feature. So I'm just going to click on the upload video this time. I just found a video here from Video Hive, and we're going to try to see how we can turn it into a cinema graph. Okay, so so here I have my video. Let's upload an image maybe this time. So we're just going to add a logo. So we're just going to add a logo here. So I'm just going to kind of move it around and resize it, and just going to select the frames, the start time and end time. So I think let's stop here. So this frame is going to be yeah, this one here, and I'm going to make it like 5 seconds, you know, it's going to keep it a bit short, so maybe 6 seconds. So you can see the duration here is 6 seconds, so I can try that. Okay, so now let's go to the cinema graph. So I'll show you how that works. So first, what you want to do is to screenshot the still frame, you know. So I'll just click on that eye icon here, and as you can see, you know, now the still frame is the frame where the girl is drinking the glass. And then what I want to do is activate the mask and the brush, and I'm just gonna brush off the part where I want my GIF to be moving, pretty much. So I'm just gonna select that. You can change the brush size and things like this. So I'm probably gonna use a smaller brush here to be a bit more precise. So you can see, very easy to use, and it's very cool to have like all these features under one single application. Like I told you earlier, you can even record your screen with Gifzign. So you know, you can kind of do a lot of things like besides just the GIF creation. So it's really like you know, it's really a marketing tool, you know, and it kind of covers a lot of uses. So I can kind of preview my my cinema graph here. I'm just going to refine a bit the area around the leg here. So as you can see, pretty easy to do, pretty easy to use, and I guess let's preview this. Okay, so as you can see my GIF here, you can see the quality is I think this is the vintage quality, so I can change that. So let me show you as well the different quality effects. So let's go for HD actually. Okay, so you can see here, that's how the GIF would look like pretty much. And let's go for the other, which was grainy. Okay, so this is the grainy quality. So depending on what you want to achieve in terms of marketing, like for this particular image, I would probably use the grainy, because I like, you know, how it looks in terms of colors. And obviously you can still you know, apply filters all over the cinema graphs and anything you're doing. So once I have this, I'll just probably save it. And that's it. My GIF is in my account. It's ready to share on social media. So obviously I'm using an image with a watermark here. There's a Video Hive watermark, but I would just probably buy this video, and then the watermark will be removed, and I could use it in my marketing. So that's kind of the how do you call, the cinema graph effect. And you also have the screen recorder, so I'll show you that briefly. I'm not sure because I'm already recording my screen, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able. You might be able to see it or not, but normally on my screen you should see a kind of an area, you know, and you just select the area you want to record, and then you press the record button, and it's going to record it and turn it into a GIF instantly. So that's pretty much how it works. Let me show you the GIF player. So the GIF player, the way it works, we'll have two types of players. So we'll have the kind of regular player. So this will be for playing on your website, on your blog, or other. And we'll also have the mockup player. So I'm going to show you some examples of these right now. So the way it works is that you'll just kind of select the player you want. So we'll have different options. We'll also have like iPad mockups and, you know, these kind of devices mockups, and you'll just copy the code, and we'll have a few settings, so you'll be able to make them autoplay or play on hover or play when someone clicks play. And so if you see here on my just posted a test blog post here to demo the Gifzign player. So here I have embedded, so this is a cinema graph I created earlier on. As you can see, I embedded it directly into my blog without a player. This is one of the mockup frames, so that's what we call mockups, this technology. So it's kind of allowing you to embed your GIF inside an iPad frame or an iMac frame, or, you know, an iPhone frame, and so on. So we'll have like lots of different frames to choose from. So here you have just a regular player, so you can so here you have just a regular player, so you can kind of you know, embed the player in your site and display it the way you want. So that's pretty much Gifzign. Very, very cool and powerful software. Besides, when we release Gifzign, we also give a lot of training to users, you know, about how to use Gifzign in their marketing and how to make the most of animated GIFs. So that's pretty much Gifzign so far. Get in touch with us if you have any question, and thanks for watching.